In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage your own Notion database. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Notion, understanding databases is crucial, as they are the backbone of any robust organization system in Notion. Let's dive in and explore how you can harness the full potential of Notion databases to streamline your workflow. Imagine a Notion database as a sophisticated list or spreadsheet, a digital filing cabinet designed to simplify how you manage and organize information. Each entry within this database is like its own page, capable of storing a diverse range of data. You can add custom properties to these entries, transforming them into dynamic records that can reflect dates, tags, statuses, and much more. These properties not only help categorize your data but also enable you to sort and filter it with remarkable precision. The beauty of Notion databases lies in their flexibility. You can visualize your data in different formats to fit your needs, whether that's a table to present information line by line, a board for Kanban-style project management, a calendar for time-sensitive tasks, or a timeline to chronicle a sequence of events. This adaptability allows you to tailor your workspace to match the way you think and work. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new page in Notion, where your database will reside. Once you've opened your new page, look for the Add a Table option. It's typically found in the pop-up menu when you click the blank space. This action sets the foundation for your database. You'll see a simple table appear, which you can start to customize. Name your table something relevant so you can easily identify it later. Now, focus on the properties. Properties are powerful tools that let you customize each entry further. Click on the name of your table at the top to access and edit the properties. You can add as many properties as you need. Think about what kinds of data you want to capture. Is it a project deadline, an assigned person, or perhaps a status update? Customize these parameters to meet your requirements. Once your properties are set up, start adding entries or pages to your database. Each row of your table represents one entry, and clicking on it opens a dedicated page. Here, you can jot down detailed notes or attach files if needed, enriching the data stored in your database. Remember, if the default table view doesn't serve your task management style, you can swap to a different view. For instance, choose a board view if you prefer dragging entries between columns, or opt for a calendar view for a date-focused perspective. Before we wrap up, a pro tip. Always take advantage of Notion's advanced features such as filtering and sorting. These options can help you isolate the most critical data at a glance. Whether you're sorting by one of your custom properties or applying filters to only show entries with certain tags, these functionalities can significantly refine your data management process. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a Notion database that's not only personalized but also incredibly functional. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!